Hey guys, Josh Itll. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm so excited you made the decision to join Breakthrough Real Estate Property Management, and now comes your first challenge. It starts with Breakthrough Breakout Training. This is our 9-session training that you're going to be going through over the next 90 days. 3 months, and you're going to have the career of your dreams. You're going to get started starting day 1, and you're going to be hitting it hard. But get excited. It's not going to be easy. So challenge yourself for this next 90 days. It's 90 days that are going to change the rest of your life. Take each challenge seriously. Do your homework. If you need help, we are all here for you. We're going to be checking in and making sure that you are doing everything you know you're supposed to be doing. Everything in this training is based on experience and basically of everything out there. And there's no shortages of shiny things out there in the real estate world. These are the tried and true methods that are going to help you get started day 1. And you're not going to just have this baby career. You're going to have the career of your dreams. And you're going to be able to take it as small or large as you want to do it. But the catch is, you're going to be working hard. You're going to feel so good at the end of the day because you are putting yourself out of your comfort zone. You are going to be making calls. You're going to be potentially door knock. I know that scares you right now, but you're going to embrace it. You're going to be making 100 calls a day like it's nothing. I know to some of you right now, calls? What? We're going to make calls? Yes, you are. And you're going to make money doing it. And it's going to make you a fortune. And you're going to be able to take care of your family and your dreams and go on vacation and do everything else because you're willing to make those phone calls. This is your challenge. 90 days. Get through every single step, and you're gonna get your name on a plaque in our office that you completed the training, and you're gonna get your little trophy. I know it sounds stupid, but you're gonna work your tail off for that trophy. And that plaque means something. You're gonna set yourself aside from the thousands of agents out there. You're gonna be one of the few that will, number one, succeed, but just have the life you dreamed. Congratulations on taking this challenge. I can't wait to give you your trophy. Good luck.